If you're seeing the GOG error redeem code request message, don't worry, this is usually a simple issue, and in this video I'll show you 2 easy ways to fix it. We'll go through the browser method first, and then I'll show you how to redeem your code inside GOG Galaxy if the website is giving you trouble. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and gaming tutorials. Let's get into it. First, if you're trying to redeem a code inside the client and it's not working, the easiest fix is to use the official GOG redeem page in your browser instead. Open your browser and go to the official GOG redeem page at gog.com/redeem. Make sure you are using the official website and not a random third-party page, because you always want to keep your account secure. Once the page loads, sign in with the same GOG account that you want the game added to. After signing in, you should see the code redemption area where you can enter your gift code or product key. Carefully type the code exactly as it appears, including any dashes if they are included. Then click the redeem or continue button to submit it. In many cases, this is enough to fix the error because the browser version of the redeem page can work better than the in-client prompt. If the code goes through successfully, the game or product will be added to your account right away, and you can check your library to confirm it appeared. Now, if the website is still giving you errors, there's another method you can try inside GOG Galaxy. Open the GOG Galaxy desktop app and sign in to your account. Once you're in the app, look for the cog icon, which is the settings menu. Click that cog icon, then choose Add Games and Friends. In that menu, you'll see the option to redeem a GOG code. Click Redeem GOG Code, and this will open the code entry screen inside the app. Enter your code carefully and make sure there are no extra spaces before or after it. Then submit it and wait for the app to process the redemption. If the code is valid and your account is eligible, GOG Galaxy should add the game to your library. If you still get an error, double check that the code hasn't already been used, that it matches your region if region restrictions apply, and that you are signed into the correct account. Sometimes just switching from the client to the browser or from the browser to the Galaxy app is enough to resolve the problem. So to recap, if you see the GOG error redeem code request issue, first try the official browser redeem page, and if that doesn't work, use GOG Galaxy through the cog icon, Add Games and Friends, and redeem GOG code. That's the fastest way to fix the issue and complete your redemption. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more helpful tech and gaming guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.